Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sync files with Proton Drive in 2026. So if you want your files to automatically update across devices, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and log into your Proton Drive account. Make sure you're using the same account on all devices you want to sync. Next, if you're using a computer or mobile device, install the Proton Drive app for smoother syncing between devices. Now go to your settings and make sure sync is enabled. This allows your files to update automatically in real time. Next, upload your files or move them into your Proton Drive folders. These files will now be part of your synced storage. Now wait a few moments. Proton Drive will automatically sync your files across all connected devices. Next, open Proton Drive on another device and check if your files appear there. This confirms syncing is working properly. Now whenever you add, edit, or delete a file, it will automatically update across all devices linked to your account. And that's it. You've successfully synced files with Proton Drive. Now your data stays updated and accessible everywhere, anytime. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.